Let's start making this refreshing and entertaining drink, which is perfect for the guests. Add 2 cups of pomegranate to the blender. Add 1/4 cup of water. Blend it. Strain it and set aside. Now add 2 sliced apples and 1/4 cup of water. Blend it well and strain it in the same bowl. We are not adding sugar to it. You can add according to your desired taste at the end of the process. Now add this juice mixture to the blender. Then to peeled bananas to the juice mixture. Add 1 tablespoon of orange powder drink mix. Add some ice. Now blend it well. Delicious fruit juice is ready. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.